Hey guys, this is Chris with Affiliate Tube, and today I got something very exciting. I just got an email about a product coming out called ClickBank University 2.0. And this has been around for a while, but this is like the ultimate training course for being an affiliate or a vendor for ClickBank. So if you're either looking into selling products on ClickBank or promoting them as an affiliate, I highly recommend you get your hands on this. Now, the thing with this deal is that I believe for only a period of about a week, maybe 2 weeks, it's going to be a set price, and then after that, it's guaranteed to double. So I recommend visiting the link there on your screen or clicking it directly under this video, and it'll take you where you get all the details about ClickBank University. But you can see here what all it's going to offer. There's going to be training from leading experts. There's going to be live weekly classes, step-by-step training videos, from my understanding hundreds of them, regular bonus courses, built-in exclusive communities, and also phone support. So if being an affiliate marketer or selling your products on ClickBank is your thing and something you've been wanting to learn how to do, quit going out and searching the internet trying to find out all this information, how to do this, because this is the ultimate course that's going to teach you step by step from professionals exactly how it's done. So once again, visit the link there, and you'll be able to get all the details about it, see the pricing, and hopefully you can get in on this before the price does double.